Let's understand how a PIL can be filed before the Supreme Court. PIL before the Supreme Court is always by way of a Article 32 petition, that is a writ petition. So any PIL is technically, legally a writ petition filed before the Supreme Court. Under our law, under our constitution, 5 types of writs have been provided. Writ of Mandamus, writ of Prohibition, writ of Certiorari, writ of Quo Warantoo, and writ of Habeas Corpus. These 5 types of writs cover almost all the subjects which can arise. Otherwise, also under the writ jurisdiction, court has wide powers to include any subject which is not otherwise prescribed. The subjects on which PIL can be filed is the law and order problem, the environmental problem, the caste system problem, the untouchability, or any legislation from which you are aggrieved. These are the broad problems on which you can file PIL before the Supreme Court. Let's understand what petitions you cannot, what subjects you cannot file as PIL before the Supreme Court. PIL before Supreme Court cannot be filed on any personal issue, that is your tenancy issue, your personal matter, your service matter, or any of your personal cases. If there is a delay being caused, all these things cannot be covered under PIL. So broadly speaking, any PIL before Supreme Court is based on the subject related either to the society or legislation or government, activity of the government, inactivity of the government, or any defective or wrong legislation. So these are the categories under which PIL is filed, and generally we see that courts entertain these PILs and issue notices and issue directions to the persons. In some cases, even criminal PILs are filed when somebody has been arrested wrongly, or somebody has been detained, or somebody has been implicated falsely in any criminal case. So those are the categories under which different types of facts are there. You can find from media reports, and mostly from media reports or social media reports, that so motu cognizance has been taken by the Supreme Court in these matters. So based on all these things, such PILs are entertained and passed and issued directions by the Supreme Court.